Today I am reviewing this 100-foot soaker hose. This was sent to me to review. This is a great option for gardening and easy to install drip line. You can also roll it up, put it out in your garden. You know, you connect it to your regular hose, get it all set up. But this comes with 100 feet, and you can see it's capped right at the end here, or you can even add on to it. And even better, it comes with these stakes to hold it down into the ground to make it secure exactly where you want it. And it comes with all of these accessories. It comes with 90s tees, these clamps, so you can cut it all up, loop it around over your garden bed. Comes with these little clamps, and they're great because they don't need tools. Comes with zip ties to organize everything how you'd want. So you can set this up any way you want. This is plenty of line for any need. Let's go set it up in our little garden and see how well it works. So this is very easy to set up. It just connects to your hose. I was able to string it, and I had put it in this little garden over here, put it around, put the little stakes in, and it was really easy. And with this 100-foot hose, this is a ton of hose to do whatever you want. You could do a huge garden with this. It has this little on-off valve right here as well, which is nice because you can just set it whenever you want and just set it up. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and you can see all the little bits. See how it works here? Just a little bit drips out. It's just slowly dripping. This is great for a vegetable garden, and that's what I'll be moving this to later, but I just want to demonstrate how well it works. This would be even better set up with a little timer. And with all the tees and everything else, you can make this go any which way you want. You can see it's very even along the whole hose. Can't wait to set this up in my summer vegetable garden later this year, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.